everyone, welcome back. Today we're learning how to ask for and give directions in English. Imagine you're in a new city. You want to find the cinema, supermarket, stadium, library, or even the train station. But how do you ask? And how do you understand the answer? Let's practice together with real examples. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the cinema?
Sure. Go straight down this street, then turn left at the second traffic light. The cinema will be on your right next to a cafe.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not really, maybe a 10-minute walk.
Hi, sorry to bother you. Do you know where the nearest supermarket is?
Yes. Walk past the park, and you'll see the supermarket on the corner.
Oh, I see. Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 11 p.m.
Excuse me, I'm trying to find the football stadium. Can you help me?
Yes, it's a bit far, maybe 20 minutes by taxi.
Okay. Could you take me there?
Of course, don't worry, I'll drop you right at the entrance.
Hello, could you tell me where the public library is?
Sure. It's across from the train station and next to a bakery.
Across from the train station, next to the bakery. Got it, thank you.
You're welcome. It's only 5 minutes from here.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight, then turn right at the bank. The station is behind the big shopping mall.
Behind the shopping mall?
Yes, exactly. You'll see the main entrance in front of the parking lot.
Perfect, thanks a lot. Go straight, turn left, turn right. On the corner across, next to, behind, in front of. Is it far from here? Could you tell me how to get to? These are the most common phrases for giving and asking directions. Now you know how to ask for directions to almost anywhere. Cinema, supermarket, stadium, library, or train station. Tell me in the comments. Where do you want to ask for in English? A park, a restaurant, or maybe the airport? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.